Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJS. Today we are going to learn about handling request parameters, query parameters and the payloads in the NestJS. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Handling request parameters, query parameters and the payloads in the NestJS involves utilizing decorators, providing the framework within your controller methods. This decorators helps to extract the data from the incoming request URL, query parameters, and the request payloads. Okay, so this is, you can see the next common JS. So we will use that one. Okay, the simple one, the cat controllers. Okay, so this is basically the get request and everything. So let's copy this cat controller. Okay, import this one also. So we are not using services in dependency injection over here, just simple one. So let's go to the cat controller. Let's comment this and add our code over here. Okay, and what's the issue over here? Cat controller has no exported name. Okay, export part is not there. Let's export this one. Export class cat controller is there, not cats. Okay, cat controller. Now it's error gone. Okay, so let's go and check this one. Okay, so in the controller, get param, query, post, and the body. So first one is ID. Find one by ID or something. So this section will return the ID of that cat. So let's run this, and in the terminal you will get all the routes over here. Okay, you get the routes. First one is cats by ID. This is get route, this is post route, right? So cats ID is there. So let's go to the postman and cats. This is the cats with ID. So let's print any kind of ID over here, like 123. This is query string, query parameter. Let's hit this. You can say this section returns a cat like 123. So 123 parameter we're getting, because here you can see this section returns the ID whatever we have. Okay, then we have a get request. Okay, so the query you can pass in the query parameter, you can pass the limit, you can pass the page. Okay, so if I go with the get request, okay, nothing I have passed, then it will go with the limit 10 with the page 1. If I pass the query parameter over here like this, like limit equal to 20 and page equal to 3, okay, then what will print? You can see the limit is 20 and the page is 3, it will print. Okay, so with the help of the @query, so this will act as a query string and it will give you all the data according to it. Then we have a post. Okay, so we have a JSON file, we have to send the cat data, and this will print you the whatever the JSON response we have, it will show you. Okay, so this is all about the query parameters. Any doubt? Let's any I think anything I have written over here, let me check. So this is already we have discussed that the dynamic route parameter, that is 1 to 3. See the response for the specific cat ID should be 1 to 3. Query parameters limit page, and this is see the response for the cats for the limit 5 and the page number 2. Body request payload body, so slash cats and JSON body to create a new cat, for example this. Okay, so here you can see @param used to extract the dynamic route parameters, @query used to extract the query parameters from the URL, @body extracts the entire request body of the post, put, or the patch request. These decorators provide a convenient way to access the different parts of your incoming request in the NestJS controllers, enabling you to extract the use parameters, queries, payloads as needed in your application. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.